Welcome to ZKTCO India official YouTube channel. Today I am going to explain how to connect the ZKTCO EMLock with Mini AC Plus device and RS485 reader for the access purpose. So you can see here how to do the connection. From the ZKTCO EMLock, negative should be connected with the 12V power supply negative, and ZKTCO EMLock positive should be connected with the Mini AC Plus device NC. From the Mini AC Plus device, COM should be connected with the 12V power supply positive. This year will connect the EMLock with the Mini AC Plus device. Now I am going to explain how to connect the RS485 reader with the Mini AC Plus device. From the RS485 reader, RS485 positive should be connected with the Mini AC Plus device RS485A, and RS485 negative should be connected with the RS485B. This reader requires 12V power supply, so for that I have given the 12V power supply externally. For that we should connect from the reader, positive should be connected with the external power supply positive, and reader JND should be connected with the negative to the power supply. You can see here I am using the Mini AC Plus device for the in purpose and RS485 reader for the out purpose. I have already registered one user in the Mini AC Plus device. I am doing the punch in the Mini AC Plus device through card. Verification is successful. EMLock opened. You can see the indicator. It will close after 5 seconds. I set the time. I am doing checkout through the RS485 reader. You can see verification successful and EMLock opened. It will close after 5 seconds. This will connect the ZKTCO EMLock with Mini AC Plus device and RS485 reader for the access purpose. Thank you.